In this video, I'll be showing you a simple way to remove duplicates from your data on Google Sheets. Very, very simple. So I have this small table here. I'm going to remove the duplicate here. You can see we have some duplicates from the first row, and then at the 9, 10, 11, 12 is also a duplicate. Now let's try to remove that. So what we are going to do is we select the range. You get it, that's the table. Good. So after selecting it, what we do is we move to the data tab, just like you are doing on Excel. So at the data tab, you see data cleanup, and then at the cleanup suggestions, you're going to see remove duplicates. Just tap on that. Great. And then you can select the first, which is data has header row. Yeah. So you can see it has a header row, and then we try to remove the duplicates, and 4 duplicates found, just like I said, from the 9. No, they've removed it already. So I just tap on OK here, and you can see it has been removed. Yeah, simple and easy. That's it on how you remove duplicates. Now let me revert, and you see now it's 17, and now it's 12, it's 13. So that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Have any question, you let me know in the comment section, and that's it for the video. Peace.